In this class we can study about commercial banks. Okay, then we know the word bank has been derived from the Latin word bankus or banku, which means a bench. Okay, the early bankers transacted their business at benches in a marketplace. Okay. Then a number of private banking companies also. 19th century, the stability in banks with the industrial revolution, 18th and 19th century, banking attained a more significant place in the area of lending. Today, banks carry on various service activities which cannot be termed commercial, like acting as trustees, custodians, lending, like that. Lot of activities are done by banks. Okay, then we know like economic, social, then agricultural, like that. Lot of developments are coming from banks. Then what is the meaning of banks? Okay, then bank is an institution which collects money from those who have in spare or who are saving it out of their income, and lend this money out those who require it. Means banks means it is a institution which collect money from people's income, means what is their savings. Okay, and lend this money for those who require. That one is the bank's function. Okay, all those institutions which are in the business of banking are called financial institution. Then what is financial institution? All those institutions which are in business of banking are called financial institutions. Then definitions. Commercial banks are like other financial institutions. Example, money lenders, indigenous bankers, cooperative societies, agricultural and industrial credit institution. All these are coming under the financial institution, which are in the business of lending and borrowing of money or credit. Okay, then commercial banks are like other institutions, like money lenders, indigenous bankers, cooperative society, agricultural and institutional credit institutions, like that. These commercial banks are doing the business of lending and borrowing of money or credit. Okay, then commercial banks are the most important credit institution in the country in the business of lending and borrowing of money and credit creation. Then commercial banks are the most important institutions in the country in the business of lending and borrowing of money and credit creations. Okay, then now we can study about the functions of commercial banks. The main function is acceptance of deposit, accepting deposit, advancing loans, discounting bills of exchange, agency service, general service. These are the main functions of commercial banks. Then accepting deposit. Banks accept deposit from the public. People keep deposit of money, safety, interest and easy to transfer through checks. Means first of all, it is main factor is safety, then we will get interest and it is easy to transfer. That one is the another benefit. Deposits are the mainstay of banks. They accept the following type of deposit. Okay, first one is current account deposit. Then what is current account deposit? These deposits constitute major portion of bank circulating medium of exchange. Normally business people keep money in this account and they can withdraw and they can issue check any they can issue any number of times check. That one is the main function of current deposit. Okay, then demand or current deposit, a depositor can withdraw in part or in full at any time he likes without notice. It carries no interest. That one is the main function of demand means main function of bank as accepting deposit. A depositor only small savings of businessmen, check facilities. Okay, these all coming under the current account. Okay, another thing is fixed deposit or time deposit. Fixed deposit for 15 days to few years. They can deposit for 15 days to few years. Withdrawn at expiry of term, high rate of interest, then a source of interest. Okay, there are several deposit schemes to attract deposit from the public, such as cumulative deposit, planned deposit, like that several deposits are there. Then rate of interest is higher than other accounts. The longer the period, higher the interest. That one is the fixed deposit benefit. Okay, then savings bank deposit, another one. People with steady and monthly income, they can save their excess income in this account. There are certain restrictions in the withdrawals. Bank pays an interest at nominal rate. Small savings are encouraged and this account. Okay, then savings bank deposit, small savings deposit, salaried people, then less rate of interest, then money can be withdrawn anytime, then through checks also they can withdraw money. These are the specialty of savings bank deposit. Another function is advancing loans. This is the most important function of banks, giving loans to businessmen, but it keeps a fine balance between deposit and loans. Banks' profitability depends on this as well. Then we know the main function is this advancing loan. Businessmen, industrialists, traders and other borrow money from banks by pledging movable or immovable property. We know home loan like that, property loans like that, different types of loans are there. Then these are the specialty of advancing loans. By allowing an overdraft, we know what is overdraft. This facility means, especially this one for current account holders, they are allowed to overdraw more than credit saving account. Suppose in your account 1 lakh is there, more than that money you can withdraw. Since the facility is only for the respectable and reliable customers, the bank may not insist on security. Okay, by allowing an overdraft facility, checks are honored. By allowing an overdraft facility, checks are honored even if deposit is less. Facility for businessmen, only interest of withdrawn amount. Then loans by creating deposit. Banks give loans to people by charging interest. Then bank asks securities. We know we need to submit some security, property security or some security we need to give to bank. Then simply opens an account in the name of needy person and issue checkbook to transact. Then loans granted mostly for business. These are the loan function of banks. Okay, overdraft facility, then cash credit. Another facility is cash credit, means banks gives loans to borrowers against certain security. The interest is charged on the amount withdrawn. This one is the cash loan, advancing loan. Next one, discounting of bills of exchange. This is a popular type of lending. If the holder of an exchange bills needs money immediately, he can get discounted by the bank. If a seller sells some goods to a buyer who does not pay in cash, but the seller draws a bills of exchange which is signed by the buyer, there is maturity or payment period, say 1 month, then now the seller can give this exchange bill to bank, which will give him cash against it. Okay, then bank charges interest it till 1 month. Okay, that one is the discounting bills of exchange. Okay, next one, agency service, like collection of bills, checks, collection of dividends, interest, then purchase, sale of shares and debentures, payment of insurance premium, acts as trustees. These are the main agency service. Then general service, travelers checks, bank draft, then safe words or valuables, then supplying trade information, then issue of credit instrument like draft, letters of credit, travelers check, circular notes, then transaction in foreign exchange, provision of specialized advisory services in industry, underwriting the issue of shares and debentures and companies. This is the main utility services providing by banks. Okay, then these are the main functions of banks. Then advancing loan is an important function. In that one, overdraft, cash credit, discounting bills of exchange, direct term loans. Then these are the main functions in advancing loans. Then other agency functions are there, like collecting checks, bills, salaries, pension, dividend, interest. These are the other functions as a agency. Undertakes buy and sell security, act as a representative, act as a trustee. These are the main service. Then importance of commercial banks. Banks constitute important segment of the financial infrastructure. Without the growth of financial infrastructure, there can be no development. Okay, then commercial banks have important role. It deals with money. They are the leaders of development. That is the important thing. These banks are the dealers of development. Then banks have some important role in capital formation. Bank mobilize small scattered savings and the people and make them available for productive purpose. Develop savings habit. Another function, use of checks. The check system is convenient and economical method of payment, and it also saves time and trouble involved in the settlement of business obligations. Then next important role is transfer of funds. Banks help the movement of funds from one place to another. Then another role is influence the interest rate. Bank exert a powerful influence on the interest rate in the money market. It also brings to a certain extent uniformity in interest rate. Then next one is help to trade, commerce, industry and agriculture. Banks meet the financial requirements of all the sectors and contribute for the growth of trade, commerce and industry and agriculture. Okay. Then credit creation. Another important role is expansion of bank credit, following by increase in production, employment, sales and prices. Okay. Another important role is monetize debt. Bank convert debt of traders and others into money. They discount bills and pay cash. Next role is flow funds to essential activities. Banks encourage flow of funds. Banks encourage flow of funds towards essential activities and develop right type of in industries. The next important role is self-employment and entrepreneurship. Banks provide finance to industries. It encourages people to go for gainful occupations instead of heavily depending on salaried jobs. Then banks provide finance to industries and to the people, okay, especially for the honest people for starting industries. It encourages people to go for gainful occupations instead of depending on salaried job.